Good evening, everybody. Welcome to my channel again. So tonight we're gonna be unboxing the things I bought. Life Pharmacy. I bought this on sale. It's on promo. It's on sale. Buy two, take one. So I bought this too. Maui shampoo and conditioner. So this is the shampoo. Bamboo fibers because I want thickening for my hair. So it's 385 ml for 61.95 dirhams, and the conditioner is the same. $61.95. Made with aloe juice. First ingredient. It thickens, restores, and it also has bamboo fibers. It has castor oil and neem oil. No mineral oils, no silicone, no SLS, no sulfate, no synthetic dyes, no synthetic dyes. So I bought this too, and I chose this one. Moisture hair care, hydrating hair mask. $340 grams. It's the same price as the shampoo and the conditioner, but this one is free for dry, damaged hair. So it has shea butter, coconut oil, and macadamia oil. Hydrating mask. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.